any of you all ever tried to write a book? I have a couple of times. And there's that fuzzy manuscript in the closet on the top shelf back in the corner, because writing about myself was difficult. It just wasn't fun. No, it was something far worse than that wasn't fun. Met this guy, Mitchell Levy. That book. That what? No, capital A-H-A, lowercase T-H-A-T, one word. That book. I thought to myself, how interesting. Then I started talking with Mitchell. And you can't help but like the guy with his hat, and he's just a great guy. And I thought, well, I'll take a gamble, because this writing a book thing just didn't get it for me. Our first conversation on the phone, I thought, this is fun. I thought, this is kind of exciting. Our next conversation, we talked for 2 hours. And I walked away from that saying, this is extraordinary. And we've spent a lot of time on the phone together. We've been in person twice, but that had nothing to do with the book. The book has all been Zoom and laughing with each other and having fun. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to have fun putting your book, that thing that you haven't been able to do yet, or if you are a writer and you want to do something different, call Mitchell Levy. I promise you 2 things: an incredible end product and one heck of a lot of fun on the way to getting there.